Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel Tips and Tricks by AMB. In this video, we are starting with a new chapter which is one of the important processes not only in the pharmaceutical industry but also in our daily activities, and that is filtration. But before moving further, do one thing. What? You know it well. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it, like this video and share it to your dear ones. Don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. So, from starting of the day with a tea, we use filtration process, isn't it? We prepare tea and then filter it by using a porous strainer to get extract of tea leaves. What do actually happen in this process? Solids are retained on the strainer and liquid pass through the strainer. So how will you define filtration process then? You can see some words on the screen. Now pause the video and rearrange these words to make a meaningful sentence so that you get the definition of filtration. After you complete, play the video again. Hope you are able to define the filtration process. So what is definition of filtration? Here we go. Filtration is the process where solid particles are separated from the fluid, that is liquid or gas, by passing it through a porous medium that retains solids and allows the fluid to pass. Now we will discuss the terminologies related to the filtration process. Before that, we will discuss what is the minimum requirement to carry out the filtration process. First, we require the suspension which is to be filtered. Then we require a porous medium or a device. The suspension to be filtered is known as slurry. The porous medium used to retain solids is known as filter medium. The solid which retains on the surface of the filter medium is called as filter cake. The clear liquid passing through the filter is called as filtrate. One thing we have to remember that for effective filtration process, the pores of the filter medium should be smaller than the size of the particles to be separated. Then and then only solids will be trapped on the surface of the filter medium. Filtration is done for either to get clear liquid or to recover solid by the way of cake formation on filtering medium. Filtration process is named as per the size of particles to be removed from the slurry as straining, clarification and ultrafiltration. Let's discuss these terms in detail. So what is straining? When the object of filtration is to remove large visible particles by using a coarse filter medium like glass wool, muslin or cotton wool, the process is known as straining. Then what is clarification? When solid to be removed is present in the fluid in very small concentration, that is not more than 1%, the process of removal is called as clarification. And what is ultrafiltration? If a solid is separated from the liquid by the use of pressure on a semi-permeable membrane is called as ultrafiltration. Now it's time for a reflection spot. Pause the video, think and write why and where the filtration process is needed in pharmaceutical industries. Once you write down the answer, then play the video. Now we will discuss why and where filtration process is needed in pharmaceutical industry. These are nothing but the objectives of the filtration. The filtration process is used extensively in the pharmaceutical industry to achieve various objectives as follows. Filtration is done to get sparkling liquid free of suspended particles or colloidal hazes. Filtration is done to recover the solids present in liquid media. Filtration is done for the removal of microorganisms to achieve sterility of liquids. And filtration is also done for the removal of particulate matter from air or pharmaceutically important gases. Now it's time to summarize the session. In this video, we discuss that separation of solid particles from fluids by using a porous medium is called as filtration. Then we discussed various terminologies like slurry, filter media, filtrate and filter cake. Finally, we discussed that to get sparkling liquid, to recover solids, to remove microorganisms and particulate matters are the main objectives of filtration process. Thank you for watching this video patiently. If you think this video is useful, please like it and share it with your dear ones who will also get benefited from this video. If you still didn't subscribe to my channel, click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. If you have any query, ask me in the comments or on my mail address. Thank you once again and see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.